Good morning from Rome. Today, I'm taking you to a town 5 centuries older than Rome. It's a home of 2 UNESCO World Heritage Sites and a blueprint European garden. Welcome to Tivoli! It takes 45 minutes to travel from Rome and it costs €2.80. The main attraction here is Villa d'Este. It's a beautiful 16th century villa and it's renowned for its terrace, Italian Renaissance garden, and an abundance of fountains. It was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site year 2001. The villa was commissioned by Cardinal Ippolito d'Este. One of the most iconic fountain here is the Fontana di Lavato, named for its oval shape. Another iconic and stunning fountain here is the Cento Fontana, or 100 Fountains. It's a long walkway lining up 100 fountains from Fontana di Lavato to Fontana di la Rometa. It's a miniature Rome, paying tribute to the ancient Rome. Here we can see the iconic she-wolf feeding Romulus and Remus, the Tiber River, as well as Roma, the goddess. Here at the center of the garden, the most spectacular and breathtaking fountain, the Neptune Fountain made by Gian Lorenzo Bernini. At the 17th century, due of the deterioration, there were a restoration made at the 20th century. Napagod ang lola, umupo muna at habang hinihintay ang pagtugtog ng Fontana di la Organo, or the organ fountain. This is a fountain made at the 17th century, dedicated to Diana of Ephesus. Fountain of Mother Nature represented fertility, abundance, and nurturing power of nature. If you like this kind of content, please do subscribe, like, and comment. See you on